Today we start the summer season and the Memorial Day holiday, and it looks like you're dressed for it already. Cute shirt.
Oh, thank you. Me dressed up like 80s rock star. Well, me can't say his name, but it rhymed with Hammy Sagar. Me can't cook 55.
Puppet. Well, it's perfect because today we are making a tequila-based cocktail called the Paloma.
Paloma.
The Paloma. I think it's the perfect summer cocktail because it is tequila-based.
Tequila. Oh, me use a lot of tequila. Me use it to clean my paintbrushes.
Do you now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Keep
so
going.
Paloma cocktail is 3 simple ingredients.
Okay.
Tequila, which you'll want to make sure that you're using the Blanco or silver, not the golden, so it retains the color of the grapefruit.
Oh,
so
all about appearance.
it is
like
about
me.
very much so, very
Okay,
much
keep
so.
going.
Tequila, pink grapefruit soda. Today we're using Fever Tree brand, but do not despair because if you can't find grapefruit soda, you can use Fresca or Squirt or anything like that.
Squirt. Fresca. 70s. Big throwback drinks. Me hear a lot of stuff about them. Keep going.
Delicious, yes. So, and then just a splash of fresh lime juice.
Splash.
And then a garnish of grapefruit. So,
Ready.
let's begin. But I think the best thing about this drink is how the glass is prepped. So I just wanted to take a second to demonstrate. So you're going to want to prep the glass with this salt combination. So you're going to take a cheek of lime.
Cheek. Why not use the whole face?
Because the cheek of lime just offers much more juice than like a slice. So you're going to wipe it around the glass and get it wet. And don't plunge it in like we often want to do. You're going to want to rotate it.
Yeah, that's how me would do it.
Rotate it because
push that thing in there.
It gets the most salt sugar.
Yeah.
So this just happens to be a combination because of the grapefruit cocktail being a little tart.
Yeah.
It's margarita salt.
People call me a little tart.
You are a little tart. It is a combination of grapefruit salt, a little bit of sugar, and the zest of a lemon and grapefruit and lime.
Yes.
So there you have it. So just a little tip. Now, we've got a prepared glass here, so let's start our cocktail. Again, it's a 1-to-2 ratio.
1 to 2.
So 1 part tequila, 1 part tequila.
Oh, that blow my hair back.
Right?
Yeah.
1 part tequila.
Yeah.
And then 2 parts of grapefruit soda, but you can either measure it or eyeball it. I tend to eyeball it. Look what happens.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful that looks.
Eyeball.
You get that
Whole lot of
effervescence.
juice.
And then you want to put in just a little splash of fresh lime juice. Fresh. And then to garnish it, you're going to want to use a grapefruit wedge. Look how beautiful that is. And you know what? Oops. Maybe a little lime wedge too.
Oh, look.
Because it's
lovely pastel colors.
Yes. Look how beautiful that looks.
Contrasting colors.
See? Perfect for the summer season. And there you have it.
Yeah.
The Paloma cocktail.
Yeah. Me feel like me on a party boat already.
Look at that. I bet you would be Puppet with this drink.
With Larry and Gary.
With the amount of tequila in it, I think you'd be quite...
Not drink that for myself, but, you know, big people drink it.
Well, big people drink it, but you can too. No, you can't.
Nope.
So, as usual, if you'd like the recipe...
No alcohol for minors.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you would like the recipe for the Paloma cocktail, it's in our comment sections.
Oh, so please hit subscribe button, and me mean really hit subscribe button. Please hit subscribe button. Please.
Up it.
Ain't not above begging.
Well, no. Well, okay.
Go ahead.
So I think Puppet just said it best.
Yes.
Like us, talk to us.
Yes.
Subscribe to us.
Ask questions.
Ask questions.
Send fan mail.
Send fan mail.
Send family pictures.
Send family pictures.
Pictures of your old 67 Dodge Dart. Whatever you got.
That would be lovely, wouldn't it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
And with that, we want to say thank you, and we will be back next week, and enjoy the holiday season.
Yeah, Cabo Wabo it up, everybody.
Very good. Thank you, Puppet.
Thank you.